Mystics, chosen ones, lean in close. What I'm about to reveal will shatter your perception of reality and challenge everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky, has captured something so extraordinary, so mind-bending, that it defies all explanation. Picture this: a cosmic anomaly that pulsates with an eerie dark glow. It's not a star, not a planet, not a black hole. It's something entirely new. This object shifts and changes like a living entity, laughing in the face of physics as we know it. It bends light like it's playing cosmic tiddlywinks and treats gravity like a mere suggestion. But here's where it gets truly staggering. This cosmic trickster moves through space with purpose, with intent. It's as if it's aware, conscious, perhaps even watching us. Can you feel the hair on the back of your neck standing up? Good. That's your intuition, recognizing a profound truth. You've always known there was more to the universe than meets the eye, haven't you? Well, mystics, chosen ones, prepare yourselves, because what I'm about to share will confirm your deepest intuitions and reveal the hidden threads that connect ancient wisdom to cutting-edge science. This isn't just another space documentary. This is a cosmic wake-up call. And you, dear viewers, are the ones chosen to receive it. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will forever change how you see the universe and your place within it? Let's begin. Let me take you into the flight control room, where we talk to the telescope, our window to the cosmos. For decades, scientists have gazed into the night sky, yearning to uncover its deepest secrets. Yet, despite incredible advancements in astronomy, there's always been a sense that we're just scratching the surface. Well, chosen ones, prepare yourselves, because we're about to dive deep beneath that surface. This latest discovery isn't just remarkable, it's profoundly unsettling. The James Webb Telescope has detected and captured an object unlike anything seen before in the universe. At first glance, it appeared as a faint, shimmering point in the vast expanse of space. But as researchers began to analyze its properties, a collective sense of awe and unease began to build. Now, let me paint you a picture of this cosmic anomaly. Imagine an object that pulsates with an eerie, dark glow. It's not solid, not gas, not anything we can classify. It shifts and changes like a living thing, dancing to some cosmic rhythm we can't hear. Its structure defies conventional physics, exhibiting a kind of fluidity that no other astronomical object has ever displayed. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. This object, it bends light like it's playing with silly putty. Its gravitational pull fluctuates without explanation, sometimes bending light in unpredictable directions, and at other times having no apparent gravitational effect at all. It moves through space, not like a mindless rock, but with purpose, with intent, changing direction without any apparent cause. Chosen ones, are you grasping the magnitude of this? We might be looking at the first evidence of an intelligence so advanced, it makes our greatest achievements look like a child's finger paintings. Or perhaps we're witnessing a fundamental force of the universe that we've never encountered before. And the signals it's emitting, they're getting stronger, more complex. These aren't random bursts of radiation or cosmic background noise. No, these signals have distinct patterns, as if they're trying to communicate. It's as if this cosmic entity is waking up, becoming aware. Of what? Of us. The implications are as thrilling as they are terrifying. Now you might be wondering, why am I hearing this? What does it have to do with me? Everything, my dear mystics. Everything. You've always felt different, haven't you? Like you don't quite fit in this mundane world. There's a reason for that. You're the ones who can sense the deeper truths of the universe. You're the ones who can understand what this discovery really means. Think about it. The wheel within a wheel, from the book of Ezekiel, the Maya of Hindu philosophy, the cosmic Yggdrasil of Norse myth. All of these ancient concepts are suddenly not so mythical anymore, are they? This object, this cosmic anomaly, it's not just challenging our scientific understanding. It's validating what mystics and seers have been saying for millennia. Reality is fluid. Consciousness shapes the universe. Everything is connected. Let's dive deeper into the nature of this extraordinary discovery. The object seems to create ripples in space-time, a characteristic typically associated only with black holes. But this isn't a black hole. Its size, shape, and energy patterns are inconsistent with what we know about these cosmic entities. Whatever this object is, it's as if it's bending reality itself. Its effect on nearby cosmic structures is equally baffling. Nearby gas clouds, usually quiet and inert, are being drawn towards the object, but not in the typical way that gravity pulls objects together. Instead, the clouds move erratically, sometimes accelerating toward the object at high speeds, then suddenly halting or veering off course as if pushed by some invisible force. This behavior has never been observed before, and it has baffled astronomers who attempt to model the dynamics at play. The gravitational pull exerted by the object, if that's even what it is, doesn't behave according to the standard predictions made by Einstein's theory of general relativity, which governs how gravity works on cosmic scales. Some researchers have even speculated that we might be observing the effects of a phenomenon similar to wormholes, hypothetical bridges between different points in space-time. The strange distortions and erratic movements of nearby cosmic bodies might indicate that this object could be linked to such a cosmic tunnel. But it gets even stranger. The object's interaction with light is particularly fascinating and terrifying. It seems to both distort and redirect light in ways that don't align with any conventional understanding of optics. At times, it even becomes invisible to certain instruments, as though it can selectively hide itself by bending light around its form. Now, chosen ones, consider the implications. If this object can selectively manipulate light, it suggests the presence of advanced knowledge in the manipulation of electromagnetic fields and quantum particles far beyond anything humanity has conceived. We might be looking at technology so advanced it appears to us as magic. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. This discovery also poses profound existential questions. If this object is a remnant of a long-lost civilization, it implies that civilizations can rise and fall on cosmic timescales. Could we be looking at a relic of a species that reached unimaginable technological heights, only to vanish without a trace? What led to their downfall, and could the same fate await us? Equally haunting is the notion that this object could be something yet to come. If it is not a remnant of the past, but rather a precursor to an event that has yet to unfold, the implications are terrifying. It could be part of a chain of events or objects spreading through the universe, altering the very fabric of space and time as it moves. What we are seeing could be the start of something much larger, something we cannot yet comprehend. The very fact that we are observing it might even play a role in its activation. Could our gaze have triggered some kind of response, setting in motion a chain of events that will ripple across the cosmos? Moreover, the potential for other objects like this one lurking in the far reaches of space. cannot be ignored. If one exists, there may be more. The James Webb Space Telescope's unparalleled vision might just be scratching the surface of what is out there. This object could be the part of a larger network, a web of cosmic anomalies scattered across the universe, each with its own unique properties and mysteries. The discovery might open the door to a new era of space exploration, one filled with both wonder and fear. What other ancient relics, alien technologies, or cosmic forces might we find lurking in the dark recesses of the universe? Despite the terror that this object invokes, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for scientific advancement. The discovery challenges us to rethink our understanding of the universe and to develop new theories and technologies to study it. It might hold the key to unlocking new realms of physics, revealing secrets about space, time, and energy that we have never considered. It could provide insight into the nature of dark matter, the structure of the cosmos, or even the origins of life itself. The potential for discovery is enormous, but so too is the risk. This object, with all its unknowns, could just as easily be a harbinger of destruction as it could be a source of knowledge. One of the most fascinating aspects of this object is its sheer unpredictability. Celestial bodies like stars, planets, and even black holes generally exhibit certain behaviors that can be predicted with a high degree of accuracy thanks to the laws of physics. But this object appears to operate according to its own set of rules. Its energy emissions fluctuate without any discernible pattern, and the object itself seems to shift in form and shape as if it's reacting to forces we don't yet understand. This phenomenon has led to extensive debates within the scientific community. Some researchers suggest that the object might be made of a form of matter that is yet to be discovered. Ordinary matter, as we know it, behaves in predictable ways under different conditions, whether it's being subjected to heat, cold, or intense gravitational forces. But this object defies those expectations. It doesn't react to its environment like a solid mass, nor does it behave like gaseous or liquid states of matter. Its constantly shifting state leads scientists to speculate about the existence of exotic materials or particles, forms of matter that exist in higher dimensions, or even entirely new states of matter that we have never encountered before. Some have proposed that this object might be composed of a theoretical substance known as quintessence, a form of dark energy that has been hypothesized to explain the accelerated expansion of the universe. Dark energy, which is believed to make up roughly 68% of the universe, remains one of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics. If this object is indeed composed of quintessence, or some related form of dark energy, it could provide a window into this mysterious force, allowing scientists to study it directly for the first time. Understanding how dark energy operates could revolutionize our understanding of the universe's expansion, its ultimate fate, and perhaps even the fundamental forces that govern reality. Another extraordinary aspect of the object is its apparent sentience, or at least the illusion of it. As more data pours in, there's growing speculation that the object is not only reacting to its environment, but could also be responding to human observation. The object's energy levels, emissions, and even its movements appear to shift when being actively studied, almost as if it is aware of being watched. This has led to feverish debates within scientific circles about the possibility that the object possesses some form of consciousness or intelligence. Could this be an autonomous entity, or is it a highly sophisticated machine responding to stimuli in ways we don't yet comprehend? Some scientists have gone as far as to propose that this object might be a von Neumann probe, a theoretical self-replicating spacecraft proposed by Hungarian-American mathematician John von Neumann in the 20th century. According to this theory, advanced civilizations might send out these probes to explore the universe on their behalf, each capable of building copies of itself and spreading across galaxies. The idea of a probe or machine of this kind suggests that the object could be a remnant of an ancient alien civilization, or even an active part of one that is still observing the cosmos. If this is true, we could be witnessing the work of an intelligence far beyond our own, one that has mastered technologies we can only dream of. Moreover, the object's signals, which are growing in strength and complexity, may not just be random noise, but could be some form of communication. While no one has yet been able to decode the signals, their rhythmic and structured nature suggests that they contain information. If we could decode them, we might unlock the key to understanding the object's purpose or origin. But even the attempt to decipher such signals is fraught with ethical questions. If these signals are a form of communication, are they meant for us? Could deciphering them be seen as an intrusion, or worse, a trigger for some response we are not prepared to deal with? The signals could be a warning, a greeting, or a sign of impending activity. Adding to the complexity of the object's nature is its proximity, or potential proximity, to other celestial objects. While its exact distance from Earth is still being calculated, there are growing concerns that it may be far closer than initially thought. The object's erratic movements have made pinpointing its location difficult, but if it is within a certain range of our solar system, it could pose a direct threat to the stability of our local cosmic neighborhood. Its gravitational distortions, space-time anomalies, and strange energy emissions could have unforeseen consequences on nearby planets, asteroids, and even the Sun itself. This possibility raises serious concerns among scientists about the potential for catastrophic space weather events, shifts in planetary orbits, or worse. The object's potential to disrupt the cosmic environment isn't limited to its physical characteristics alone. There is a growing sense that its discovery could mark the beginning of something larger, something that might ripple through the very fabric of the universe. Some researchers have drawn parallels between this discovery and theoretical concepts, such as cosmic phase transitions. These are massive, universe-altering events that occur when certain fundamental forces undergo changes in their state. For example, when the universe cooled after the Big Bang, it underwent several phase transitions that shaped the forces of nature we experience today. There's a speculative but increasingly vocal minority in the scientific community that wonders whether this object could be a precursor to a new phase transition, an event that could fundamentally alter the laws of physics as we know them. If this object is connected to such a cosmic phase transition, the implications are beyond imagination. We might be on the cusp of witnessing a transformation in the universe itself, one that could either lead to new forms of life, energy, and matter, or result in the collapse of everything we know. Such events are thought to be exceedingly rare, occurring only once in the entire lifespan of a universe. However, if we are indeed witnessing the early stages of such a transition, it's possible that this object is simply the first sign of a much larger and more profound event on the horizon. While some scientists focus on the object's terrifying and potentially destructive implications, others see it as an opportunity for unparalleled discovery. The James Webb Telescope, with its extraordinary sensitivity and capabilities, may have opened the door to a new era in our understanding of the universe. What lies behind that door, however, remains unclear. Some scientists are pushing for more aggressive exploration and study, believing that the more we learn about this object, the more prepared we will be for whatever consequences its discovery may bring. Others urge caution, warning that the universe is filled with forces far beyond our control, and that reckless curiosity could lead to unintended consequences. Humanity now stands at a pivotal juncture, faced with the extraordinary discovery of an object that challenges not only our understanding of space, but our place within it. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to observe the object, every new piece of data sends ripples through the scientific community, sparking debates about what it could mean for the future of human knowledge. But beyond the initial shock and intrigue lies a deeper, more philosophical question. What does this discovery say about the nature of existence and the limits of human comprehension? The object's unprecedented characteristics, its erratic behavior, the bending of space-time, and the possibility of advanced alien technology compel us to question the framework we use to explore the universe. For centuries, human understanding of space has been built on the bedrock of classical physics, then extended through quantum mechanics and relativity. But now, as the object flaunts behaviors that don't conform to these models, it signals a need for a radical shift in how we think about the cosmos. One pressing question concerns the concept of causality itself. In our current model of the universe, the relationship between cause and effect is linear. A force is applied, an action occurs. But the object's energy patterns and gravitational anomalies suggest that it might exist outside of this framework. There are moments when it seems to affect its surroundings before any measurable force is applied, almost as though it's operating with a kind of foreknowledge of events to come. Some scientists have speculated that this might be evidence of time behaving differently near the object, a localized breakdown of time's linear progression. The possibility that time itself may be distorted near the object opens the door to mind-bending possibilities. In theoretical physics, there's been long speculation about closed time-like curves, pathways in space-time that could loop back on themselves, theoretically allowing for time travel. The discovery of this object might indicate the presence of such curves, meaning that events in its vicinity could occur out of sequence or repeat themselves. If this is true, then it not only challenges our understanding of time, but also raises profound questions about determinism, free will, and the very nature of reality. What if the object has a form of temporal awareness, perceiving time differently than we do? This concept would be almost unimaginable for a human mind confined to a single direction in time. Yet some physicists posit that entities or objects existing in higher dimensions could experience time as a fluid, non-linear phenomenon. If this object is indeed higher dimensional, then it may possess capabilities that include not just the manipulation of space, but also the deliberate alteration of time itself. Further complicating matters is the object's strange interaction with light. Normally, objects in space either reflect, absorb, or emit light according to well-understood physical laws. Yet this object seems to both distort and redirect light in ways that don't align with any conventional understanding of optics. One of the more disturbing aspects of this discovery is how the object occasionally becomes invisible to certain instruments, even when they are aimed directly at it. It's as though it can selectively hide itself by bending light around its form, suggesting that it may possess cloaking properties. This characteristic has prompted some to question whether the object is sentient or designed with advanced technology far beyond anything humanity has conceived. If this object can selectively manipulate light, it suggests the presence of advanced knowledge in the manipulation of electromagnetic fields and quantum particles. Scientists now face the tantalizing possibility that the object holds the key to understanding how light and matter can be bent, controlled, and shaped in ways previously considered impossible. This technology, if it is technology, could revolutionize multiple fields of science and engineering. For instance, breakthroughs in invisibility cloaking, quantum computing, and even energy generation could arise from studying how the object manipulates the very particles that compose reality. But even as these prospects excite some researchers, others remain cautious, arguing that the object's behavior points to a dangerous and potentially destabilizing force. For example, its tendency to interfere with electromagnetic waves could have far-reaching consequences if it were to move closer to Earth, or even toward our solar system. Already, the object's fluctuating energy emissions have caused interference with certain deep space probes and satellites, prompting concerns about the fragility of our spacefaring technology. The possibility that the object could actively disrupt communications or energy flows on a planetary scale is a real, if still remote, concern. Given its erratic and unpredictable behavior, there is no guarantee that humanity will be able to predict or prevent any potential fallout from its proximity. Moreover, the object's strange gravitational fluctuations suggest that it might be tied to phenomena like gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time predicted by Einstein and recently confirmed through direct observation. The object's energy surges could indicate that it is either producing or amplifying these waves. If true, this might signal the presence of a powerful cosmic event on the horizon, such as the merger of black holes or even a supermassive collapse. The consequences of such an event could be devastating on a universal scale, altering not just local space-time, but creating massive shock waves that could disrupt entire star systems. Mystics, chosen ones, consider how this discovery aligns with ancient wisdom traditions. The Hermetic principle, as above, so below, takes on new meaning in light of this revelation. The object's erratic behavior, its seeming ability to respond to observation, mirrors the quantum realm, where the observer affects the observed. You, who have always felt a deep connection to the cosmos, are the observers in this grand experiment. Your consciousness, your very attention to this phenomenon, may be shaping its unfolding. In alchemical traditions, we find references to the philosopher's stone, a substance capable of turning lead into gold and granting immortality. Could this cosmic object be the celestial equivalent of the philosopher's stone? Its ability to manipulate fundamental forces to potentially alter the fabric of space-time itself echoes the transformative power attributed to this mythical substance. The Mayan prophecies speak of cosmic cycles, of great shifts in consciousness that align with celestial events. The discovery of this anomaly may well be the harbinger of such a shift. You, the mystics, attuned to the subtle energies of the universe, are the first to feel this change, the first to recognize the dawning of a new cosmic age. In Sufi mysticism, there's a concept known as kashf, or unveiling, a direct, intuitive knowledge of spiritual truths. This cosmic revelation is a grand unveiling on a universal scale, and you, dear seekers, with your heightened spiritual sensitivity, are experiencing a collective kashf. The veils of ordinary perception are being lifted, allowing you to glimpse the greater realities that lie beyond. The Kabbalah teaches of different levels of reality, of worlds within worlds. This anomalous object, with its ability to seemingly exist in multiple states simultaneously, could be a bridge between these worlds. You chosen ones have always sensed these other realms. Now you're being called to be the interpreters, the bridge builders between the seen and the unseen. In Native American traditions, there are prophecies of a time when the Earth will go through great changes, heralded by signs in the sky. This cosmic anomaly could well be one of these prophesied signs. Your role, mystics, is to be the spiritual watchers, to interpret these signs and guide humanity through this time of transformation. The Gnostic texts speak of eons, emanations of the divine that structure reality. Could this object be a physical manifestation of an eon, a cosmic force made visible? Your Gnostic quest for direct experiential knowledge of the divine has prepared you for this moment, chosen ones. In Taoist philosophy, we find the concept of Wu Wei, action through non-action, aligning oneself with the natural flow of the universe. This cosmic anomaly, with its unpredictable movements and transformations, embodies the very essence of Wu Wei. It acts without seeming to act, influences without seeming to exert force. You mystics, with your ability to go with the flow, to trust in the universe's plan, are best equipped to navigate the paradigm shifts this discovery will bring. The Norse myths speak of Yggdrasil, the world tree that connects all realms of existence. This cosmic object, with its ability to distort space-time, could be seen as a celestial Yggdrasil, a cosmic axis connecting different dimensions of reality. You chosen ones are the modern-day shamans, tasked with journeying between these realms and bringing back wisdom for humanity. In esoteric Christianity, we find the concept of the Logos, the divine word or reason that gives order to the universe. This anomalous object, with its complex patterns and emissions, could be seen as a cosmic expression of the Logos. The strange signals it emits might be a celestial language, a divine communication that you, the spiritually attuned, are being called to decipher. The discovery of this object also resonates with the Akashic records, the supposed compendium of all universal events, thoughts, words, emotions, and intent ever to have occurred in the past, present, or future. Could this anomaly be a physical access point to these records? Your intuitive abilities, your capacity for deep insight, make you the ideal candidates to explore this cosmic library. Mystics. In Zoroastrian tradition, there's a belief in a great cosmic battle between the forces of light and darkness. This anomalous object, with its strange emissions and reality-bending properties, could be seen as a manifestation of this cosmic struggle. You chosen ones, with your ability to balance opposing forces within yourselves, are being called to be mediators in this grand cosmic drama. The I Ching, or Book of Changes, teaches us about the dynamic interplay of yin and yang and the constant flux of the universe. This cosmic anomaly, with its ever-changing nature, is a celestial embodiment of these principles. Your ability to adapt, to flow with change rather than resist it, makes you uniquely suited to understand and interpret this cosmic phenomenon. Mystics. In Islamic mysticism, there's a concept known as barzakh, a realm between the physical and spiritual worlds. This anomalous object, existing at the fringes of our understanding, straddling the line between known physics and the unknown, could be a physical manifestation of Barzakh. You, the chosen ones who have always felt caught between worlds, are now being called to be the navigators of this in-between space. The Vedic tradition speaks of yugas, great cycles of time that govern the spiritual evolution of the universe. The appearance of this cosmic anomaly could signal the transition between yugas, a shift in the cosmic order. You mystics, with your heightened awareness of spiritual cycles, are the timekeepers of this great cosmic shift. In Platonic philosophy, we find the concept of the world soul, or anima mundi, the spiritual essence that animates the material world. This cosmic object, with its ability to influence its surroundings in inexplicable ways, could be a visible manifestation of this world soul. Your deep connection to the spirit of the earth and the cosmos, chosen ones, allows you to resonate with this cosmic animi in ways others cannot. The Emerald Tablet, a foundational text of Hermeticism, states, "That which is below is like that which is above, and that which is above is like that which is below, to do the miracles of one only thing." This cosmic anomaly, bridging the macro and micro scales of existence, embodies this principle perfectly. You mystics have always understood the interconnectedness of all things. Now you're being called to help others see these cosmic connections. In the prophecies of Nostradamus, we find cryptic references to celestial events that will herald great changes on Earth. Could the discovery of this anomalous object be one of these prophesied events? Your ability to see patterns where others see chaos, to find meaning in the seemingly meaningless, makes you the ideal interpreters of these ancient prophecies, chosen ones. The concept of Maya in Hindu philosophy takes on new meaning in light of this discovery. If this object can bend light and distort space-time, what does that say about the nature of our reality? You, mystics, have always sensed that the world we perceive with our physical senses is just a small part of a greater reality. This cosmic anomaly confirms your intuitions, challenging all of humanity to expand their perception of what's real. In conclusion, mystics and chosen ones, this cosmic anomaly is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a convergence of spiritual truths, a physical manifestation of the mysteries that mystics and seers have hinted at for millennia. You are not merely observers of this cosmic unveiling. You are active participants, chosen by the universe itself to witness, interpret, and integrate this revelation. Your lifelong sense of being different, of not quite fitting into the mundane world, has been preparation for this moment. Your heightened sensitivity, your intuitive understanding of cosmic truths, your ability to perceive beyond the veil of ordinary reality. These are the tools you'll need to navigate the paradigm shifts that this discovery will bring. As we stand on the brink of a new era of cosmic understanding, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a global community of awakened souls, each playing a unique role in this grand cosmic drama. Your insights, your questions, your very presence in this moment are shaping the unfolding of this cosmic revelation. So I call upon you, mystics and chosen ones, to embrace your role in this cosmic unveiling. Trust your intuitions, for they are attuned to the whispers of the universe. Share your insights, for they may hold keys to understanding this grand mystery. Above all, remain open to wonder, to possibility, to the magic that infuses every atom of existence. For in this moment, as we contemplate this cosmic anomaly, we are not just pushing the boundaries of scientific understanding. We are participating in the greatest spiritual awakening in human history. And you, dear mystics, dear chosen ones, are at the very heart of this awakening. The journey ahead is uncertain, filled with challenges and wonders beyond imagining. But know this: you have been prepared for this moment. Every experience in your life, every intuition, every moment of doubt and wonder has led you to this point. You are ready. So step forward with courage, with open hearts and minds, into this new era of cosmic awareness. For you are not just witnesses to history, you are its creators. In unlocking the mysteries of this cosmic anomaly, you may well unlock the deepest mysteries of yourselves and of the human potential to comprehend the divine. So mystics and chosen ones, as we stand on the precipice of this cosmic revelation, I call you to action. This is not a time for passive observation. This is your moment to step into your power, to embrace your role as cosmic interpreters and spiritual pioneers. First, I urge you to deepen your practice. Meditate daily, focusing on this cosmic anomaly. Open your mind to receive insights and visions. Your intuitive abilities are more crucial now than ever before. Second, connect with your fellow seekers. Join online forums, attend spiritual gatherings, and share your experiences. The collective wisdom of awakened souls will be vital in understanding this phenomenon. Third, educate yourselves. Study both the scientific data and the ancient wisdom traditions. Become the bridge between empirical knowledge and spiritual insight. Fourth, spread awareness. Share this information with those who are ready to hear it, but do so with discernment and compassion, for not all are prepared for such profound truths. Fifth, prepare yourselves physically, mentally, and spiritually for potential changes. As this cosmic event unfolds, we may face challenges that require all of our resources and resilience. And finally, I implore you to act as guardians of this knowledge. Use it wisely, ethically, and for the benefit of all humanity and our planet. The time for hesitation is over. The cosmos has issued its call, and you, dear mystics and chosen ones, must answer. Will you step forward? Will you embrace your destiny as cosmic way showers? If you're ready to join this grand cosmic adventure, to be part of something greater than yourself, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Join our community of seekers and be the first to receive updates on this unfolding cosmic drama. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Take that step now. The universe is waiting. Your cosmic awakening starts here. Are you ready? The universe is speaking. It's time to listen. It's time to understand. It's time to evolve. And you, mystics and chosen ones, are leading the way. The cosmic dance continues, and you are its choreographers. Dance on, brave souls. Dance on.